Assalamu alaikum, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how can you use the twist and side screw parametric sheet metal. So right now it is hidden. It's mean first we need the first wall. Let me create the first wall by choosing the proper plane. This time let me draw a center rectangle. Assign the dimension, this is 25, while this length is 15, and just say OK. Let me keep it 5 for now. Just look in preview and say OK. Right, we have created the first wall as you can see over here. So right now, can you see the twist has get highlighted? Just click on twist. Now again it asks me the placement where you want to place your twist. Right now I'm selecting this edge. So as you can see over here, right, you can just drag, and let me keep it 90 for now. You can just drag the twist length from here. A lot of things are over here. You can just change this length of this portion. Whatever you want you can do, and you can add up to multiple twisted as well, like as you can see. But if you have more length, so you can add up to multiple up twist as well. Okay, so this is how I use the twist command and screw parametric. Right now again I am going to use the plate. Let me choose this one, and let me choose this is 25 and say OK. So this is actually how can you use the twist and side screw parametric sheet metal, which is really used sometime. Let me choose this plane, make it normal, extrude on it, draw a circle, say OK. Now I have created this hole and just confirm it. Let me switch on all the datum planes. Again draw a circle over here and say OK. Just look in preview and say OK. So this is how I have collected all the things over here: flat flange, extrude, and planer. I have discussed along with twist. So hopefully you understand how can you use the twist and side screw parametric. Whatever is remaining inside twist, hopefully I am saying to you people that nothing is remaining but whatever you can see, so you can see them by yourself as well. Thanks for watching.